Hear me I say a Facebook hero. And when you want to watch a bad video them on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. I hear that Negusimara. Hear me I say Negus Nation big up on the damn self, man. Fully X Young and Facebook hero represent for your body YouTube channel and the podcast. More everybody subscribe, like and watch out the video them right now too. You hear that? Fully X mad. Up.
You don't even know who is who. You don't even know if it's a real fan or somebody who want inflict pain.
Right now, what the dog right this I can say Negus.
Yeah.
Right now, I know say I have nothing to do with X Gang. I mean this year. And the ratings where dog have feel over this and take up it on the head.
Yeah.
You understand what I try to say?
And something like that does.
Something like
boil
that
over and something else.
Boil over and something else where young niggas pre-levels in the dog. Me stop question people and question people dead. When me just see people dead now, me just troll past you know. Cause I come here, me I live some life right now where me see what makes some people dead, bad man.
Word. Me say that the whole heap of time, bro. Me say that my understand. Me see why.
Me see why. When all we there, you say some woman dead over there, son, with the son say, yo, you know, say the boy if he dead, kind of kill some woman. We don't know what the woman put the man through.
Word.
And not everybody can hold it.
Word. That is true.
And not everybody can hold some things and hold pressure, me G.
Especially when you now got parents and personal and
that's why some man do them time and sometimes some man snitch.
Word.
Pre-Negus.
Word. Real talk, brother.
Right now, me tell my dog them running and I like me can't hold it, you know.
Word.
But me just not do no time for no man because me a family and my life not start yet. So me, you know, going to jail for my friend. I want me to look best friend for you here. Me and my son, me and my family. And the realest way if you do it, if you just stand up and be a man to your family, make some man go do them time for themselves. And me I said this, I'm no boy can't tell me about here. Oh, where, go boy. Go do your time for yourself.
Real talk.
Your family. You want to build house too.
Yeah, some man where, that's why I always watch who they run. You ever watch some movie yet, brother? And police stop all some man. You see me, I see like man have all some weed or a strap in a car and him now own it up. You know, say a year one, Bubba. When you make him on the tour, we get in trouble. A year one. Because you know, say me I get juggled to I mean, nothing to do with nothing. More and go home. No, is it? No, it can't. Yo, if I buy strap, I own up my strap. And me I walk with it for my protection, brother.
Yeah.
And all me go look for fuck up a man life, no say yo that brother your life for fuck up those cars of me. You know say I hear one. Me can I already do and know say police stop me and you and me say yo, you know say my strap. I own it up around. Me can't make you get Jaguar.
Can't. I'm a dad take no Jaguar. Man have to do them time for themselves, my father, upon a big man level, and may I show you.
Yeah.
What's some deal with it? We're upon a level, niggas, man. Pre-entertainment. 5 minutes for them getting them.
Word. And a lot of them don't do nothing with it.
Well, no, my time up yet.
That is true.
Come on, I mean, never reach halfway yet. I still have work to do it daily.
So you think stop doing video I gonna make you reach the other half, bro? You think you can reach the other half with just live alone?
Me?
Yeah. With just live alone. You think you can reach, cause you say you didn't even reach halfway yet, no?
Yeah.
So the other halfway left for reach. You feel like say you can reach that with just going live alone?
Let me ask you something. You listen to Breakfast Club?
Yeah.
Then do video?
No.
Then just start, not you?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you do it.
Word.
This what you do right now, a Breakfast Club, what you do.
Word.
Or you put your heart on this side, oh, you go do it. You not have to sit, you not have to move again. This right, that's what can make you rich. This, yeah.
Facts. A real talk.
Right, that's so.
Facts.
By just talking. If me did have this setup, yes, sir, you think them could have talked to me? With my life right there, sir.
Make ear move and go. Me send ear everything.
Yeah, I that. But me not move towards it.
Bro, please, brother. You can FaceTime me and say, yo, Negus, what about you do? Where this? How you put
Imagine if me did have this, yeah.
And that me tell you. Brother, if you did have this, brother, you didn't even need two men, because you alone attack anyway.
I tell you.
Bro, if you did have all of this, bro, and see him quality, same everything. Or
Everything.
even better quality. You shoot that up on the gram or the YouTube and make crazy bread, bro. Because as me say, it's a household name, brother. People want hear what you have to say.
So that be I try to tell you. Pray. But have to do the live again. Like do the video again. There be people them who I work with me doing my live.
Yeah.
And everything. Pray me can go live 7 o'clock in the morning now, my G. I have me 1,000 people.
Easy.
You understand me?
Easy. And that is no lie. Because me see that whole heap. Me see that whole heap.
You see me?
Me see that whole heap. And me I tell you, brother, if you say live, brother, you see me? I just do your thing, I'm a G, but would I love to see a couple more video with the dog still. I'm not lying.
Yeah. But I
You
drop
see me?
video about I'm that. My brother busy so where I see you see you don't have to drop video every day.
That is true.
For relevant.
So me hear you mention reels and making money and everything. So you're more you're more on a business level, you know. All about the paper.
Last time my father.
Yeah.
So if me can do so, and in a midline month, me see money drop from a reel, and in a month, me see money drop from a badge.
Well, I mean, if you make another video. Easy,
You never
bro.
know you make money off of your life them now.
Yeah,
When your life done, you can post them and make money off of them you know. On Instagram.
Oh, really?
What
So you can make money from badge and then post them and make money from it?
I make money again.
Whoa,
People
first me I hear
run
that.
ads that run over you while you watch all the hour live for your phone. You just see cut and like ads start running panny, and then you'll skip your ads or you watch a look at ads and them thing there. Money.
Instagram step up them thing, brother.
Money.
Instagram step up them thing. Yo, I want everybody to maximize them earning potential, brother, because as me I tell you, when me come I ask G, me say, yo, bro, your Facebook monetize, your YouTube monetize. Cause if him they say no, I'm gonna show him how to match it up right then and there. You understand what I say? Because right now, me just I get my monetize by every platform now. Instagram was the last one where my kind of is it me? Cause my last page I only for violation and things, so I never have the local perks them where is it me have the real and the bonus and the rare. So that new page I have now, as me I say, follow me upon Negus Imara, Negus_Imara too, cause my page gone. You see me? So me start to get the little reels thing I know and the little badges thing I know. So at that now, I kind of see look money for Instagram now.
Yeah.
So brother, you don't know. You know the direction for bring your brand in. So nobody can tell you, say, yo, no, era, the wrong direction you go, or no, era, so you forgot. You know what's best for your brand. You've been doing this for how long now?
Niggas, both 6 years. Me not have to do get that even sell badge again. My fans them give me money.
Cause the most badge you can send now, $4.99.
You know my fans them buy me what they are.
What that?
PlayStation 5 and give me 2,500 in pocket.
Damn. Brother, PS5 and give you $2.5 in your pocket.
Then on the live I send money. Send money. Cashapp bills. 400, 300, 200, 50, 20. I said them I send. I'm just go buy my PlayStation 5 the same time as the live done.
And tell them thanks.
And tell them thanks.
Yo.
For me Christmas, my fans them buy.
All right. So, I see why the dad I see why the dad want the more video. Who do want the more video neither? Who the blood clot make video for? My G, that's a good look, right? That's what I mean. Say, yo, the people them rock with it for real, brother.
You see me? Me not go every day and put up my badge. Me not as start my live, me put up my Cashapp. No. 3 month, me we tackle them. I want next 3 month, me tackle them. And I write them for the rest of the year, me just wait till the rest of the year till it reach all Christmas.
And then
I say, yo, me make on the laugh all year, see me Cashapp there. First, me not pressure them in a year for no shoes or nothing,
Yeah.
I make them know some more weed or anything.
word.
One somebody can buy me that off of my life. Me not pressure them. You hear me I say on Facebook here. And when you want to watch a bad video them on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. I hear that Negusimara. Hear me I say Negus Nation big up on the damn self, man. Fully X young on Facebook here represent for bad YouTube channel and the podcast. More everybody subscribe, like and watch out the video them right now too. You hear that? Fully X mad.
Up.